in my heart, nawala na lahat. Sa husband ko, sa mga sister ko, no, aside sa ng husband ko before I came here. Ang daming hindrance ba? Even financial, even emotional, parang ang dami talaga din. I ask God, even though nagtatrabaho ko before, I ask God while on my work, Lord, kung para sa akin talaga to, I will not resign, but still I continue to apply. So suddenly, Pastor Sunny told me that my flight would be on Monday at 12 noon. Then I was working Saturday. So I resigned already when I came here in Iloilo. So I just passed through my paper with my work before. So I said, Lord, kung talagang para sa akin to, sa akin to. So when I came here, I thought the hatred, parang wala na kasi sabi ko nga, denial ako na sabi ko wala na. But from time to time, when I pray, talaga yung bumabalik yung hatred. So, in my drawing, pag let go mo yung hatred, hindi ka ba titira sa hatred or hindi mo i-embrace yung hatred, makikita mo yung peaceful, parang makakalit ko pa. So, ito siguro nangyari sa akin yan. Kasi, since I accept God in my own way, I learned to let go. And kahit anong problema, kasi yung husband ko, nagka-problema